Hello, ladies. Thought you were never going to see me again? I'm back. Sorry for my absences. I was busy hunting tiger for sport with Bibble. Bibble for shizzle, the great octopus of the abyss. Now on to why I'm here. I'm here because a Mally fan of sports tells me Old Spice is back in Top Ads 2011. And this time we're winning the contest. Fantastic. He says we are paired up with a fellow named D6. I just so happened to look up this D6. And his vids had me laughing harder than the explosions of Mount Vesuvius. And since we came so close to winning top ads in the past, but instead we lost to flavored beverages and athletic apparel, I strongly support and encourage you all to go to this D6 and his channel. The link is below in the description. So please, America, watch this D6, laugh to, or at, or with his videos, whether or not sarcastically, and like, favorite, comment, and rate, etc. Because with your help, we can finally crown the right commercial for Top Ads champion. Your help is appreciated. Thank you. I love you, Jasmine Razor.